Hi everyone, Karen here from Nightwear. I'm here with my girlfriend and bestie Lee.
Hi everyone, I'm Lee from Tuscany Dreaming. I'm here to help Karen with a little bit of cooking for you today. I have a home cooking Instagram page, which I love. I just do it in my spare time. But today Karen's going to help me out.
I knew she was going to say that.
By cooking some lovely turmeric French toast for you. She hasn't done it before, so we'll see how she goes.
Now everyone, cooking is not my forte. I come here for dinner regularly. She's the chef.
She does.
She's the genius. So I am going to do my best. Enjoy the entertainment.
Okay, so we've got some garlic and onion, some beautiful Murray River pink salt flakes, which are my favourite to cook with, garden parsley, some butter over here, grapeseed oil, pepper, some lovely white bread, which has just been freshly cut. It's best to use sort of day-old bread, because if it's too soft it'll fall apart in the mixture. Some eggs and milk, but we're just going to talk about turmeric a little bit.
Turmeric has some wonderful qualities for anti-inflammatory issues and is great because it's filled with antioxidants. The other side of using too much turmeric is that it can produce gas, so you need to find that fine medium amount that suits your own body. It's all trial and error. Okay, let's get back to it.
Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to fry off a little bit of onion and garlic. So you're going to need maybe one of those cubes of butter there in the pan.
Okay.
Some grapeseed oil. Now grapeseed oil is a really good frying oil, especially if you're using non-stick cookware. It has a high smoke point, so it won't burn off, it won't upset the coating on your pan, and it also has no flavour, so it doesn't flavour your food with something you don't want to eat like some oils do. Coconut oil is great, but sometimes you don't want to mix a coconut flavour with a certain type of food.
Totally
so
great.
This is what I use all the time for cooking if anything's going in the pan on a high heat, and I think it's really good. So we're going to put probably about a tablespoon of that in the pan. I don't measure very much, so we're just going to go with it. So just...
She's the real deal.
Yeah, that's you.
Oh.
You're doing it.
Okay, here we go. Okay.
Don't worry if you get too much.
That's
A
more
little bit
than
more. I'll go over here.
It's more than a tablespoon.
Okay, so on a medium heat, I'm going to put some garlic and onion in. All of it.
All of the garlic. Okay. All of the garlic, all of the onion.
Of course, you can just use whatever amount of garlic and onion you like. You can even leave it out of the recipe if you want to. A pinch of salt and some pepper.
Okay. How's that?
Now,
Totally out of my comfort zone.
just on a medium heat, we're going to just move that around. That should take about 5 minutes. Okay, so while this is frying off nicely, you're going to crack some
Smells
eggs.
delicious.
Would you like the eggs on your left or in?
I have never had to consider that before. Do I want my eggs on my left or on my right?
So maybe like 6.
Yes, these are from our local fruit and veg in Paradise Point.
Nice and orange.
You get this much on your fingers. Oh,
You can see why she comes to my house for dinner.
bye. One more. Okay, 6 eggs and gooey fingers.
Now you can use a whisk, but I like to use a fork. So just break them up with the fork and give them a bit of a mix around.
Break the yolk.
And we're going to add a little bit of milk. Just
Okay.
pour it in. I'll tell you when to stop.
It's
Multitask.
Multi-talented and tasking at the same time.
That's enough. That's enough. Then we're going to add some parsley. Mix all that up. And then turmeric. There's about probably 3 teaspoons in there. We'll probably use about 2 for this, but you can use less or more if you like. Now this will make the eggs really, really nice and bright. Turmeric just goes so well with eggs. It's even nice to just shake over the top of your fried eggs.
I thought it was called turmeric, so we googled it. It's called turmeric.
I think you can say both ways, but we're not really sure. You can use fresh as well. This is dry. Now we're going to dip the bread in.
Now the fun messy part.
If you soak it for too long, the bread will kind of fall apart a little bit. So you've got to kind of be a bit quick.
Grab a piece of bread,
Plonk him in.
Straight in like that.
Turn him over.
Oh wow, look at that. Again?
Yep.
Alright, first one done. This is a crust
Soak it up.
and end piece. Gonna be crunchy.
It is, yes. So you might need a little bit extra on that one because it's only going to soak through the one way.
Good point.
Good.
Learn something new every day.
I think you're enjoying this, aren't you? It's like finger painting.
Okay, last piece.
So I've just added a little bit more butter to the pan. That's because I love butter.
Wow, that one's soaked. Look at that. Okay, our 3 pieces.
You just want to put one in there. Let's put one on top of each drop of that butter.
There we
That's
go.
it. Okay, so these are cooking beautifully. Look at that. Now, Karen, you're going to flip them without breaking the bread. No pressure. That's it.
Yikes.
Into the pan.
Yes.
I'm marking you on this. Very
Look
good.
at that with the onion and garlic.
Pop that back over here.
So, if I can do this, anybody can do this. I wanted to show you with my bestie how easy it is, whether you are a genius at cooking like she is and absolutely comfortable in the kitchen, or totally out of your comfort zone like me, to be able to make something as simple as this.
I'm just cleaning up as I go along. Another good
Keep-
tip. We have a little bit of a dance while we're waiting.
She always does. To keep herself entertained in the kitchen.
Okay, these are ready to come off now. And go and get
My
them.
job? Wow.
And we need to drain them on
Right.
here. I've just put some paper towel under there so my veg doesn't get too wet, but you can take them out and sit them on there. Put that on there. And see if you can do this bit right. Yum, yum, yum.
This one looks amazing.
It sure does.
Look
And we'll
at
just keep all
those.
that.
A little bit of juice and the leftover garlic and onion to sprinkle on the top. Okay, so here is our French toast.
Now you're going to plate up.
Now we're going to plate it. I think that's my plate
It is, I think it is too.
from the dinner
I
party.
kind of stole it because I really like it. So
So,
what we're going to do with these is we're going to stack them in like a Jenga block kind of thing. It's all about presentation to
Just something
everybody.
simple.
All about presentation. Just don't squeeze too hard because you'll squeeze the bread. Yep, right in the middle.
look at that. Look at the onion. Look at the
So
garlic. Divine.
That's it.
Oh,
Look at that.
wow.
Beautiful.
Look at that piece. Now, all of these ingredients are okay with stoma for ostomates. Of course, everything depends on your own body personally. Each person's body, of course, as we know, reacts differently.
Now, do you reckon you can pour that over the top like
Okay.
drizzle?
Whoa.
Look at that.
Okay, salt
Sprinkle.
on the top.
Look at you go. And some parsley.
I'm a big learner. I will be a master chef by
Sprinkle
the
it
end
all
of all of
around.
this. In a year's time, I will be qualified for master chef.
Oh, look at that, everybody.
That's divine.
Turmeric French toast.
We will have the recipe on our Facebook sites, Instagram sites. Follow us for more recipes. We will be doing this regularly.
Should we try it?
We're going to try it. Plates and accessories.
Oh yeah, these are from Minimax.
Minimax is a company that,
Kitchen homewares
yes,
store.
that's what I was looking for.
They do amazing products.
Gorgeous products. Everything is from Minimax. Check them out. Hey, here's the taste test. Mmm,
Not bad.
mmm, beautiful, divine. Speechless.
You've done well.
I made this. I can't wait for you all to try it. Make it at home. Make it for your family. Make it for yourself. Tune in next time for our next recipe.
And yeah, if there's anything you'd like us to cook, or you'd like me to teach Karen to cook, let us know and we'll see what we can do.
This is for you, our Ostomate friends. We hope you've enjoyed our segment today and look forward to you tuning in next time.
Bye.
Bye.